So in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit that video we've just created in Doodly. And I'm using iMovie for the purposes of this video. What you do is you go to File, New, and you create your movie if you like. And I'm going to go Doodly Demo. And now I'm going to click this and drag it down to the bottom. So as you can see here, the whole movie is compacted into a very small space. So we're going to go to Settings and we're going to extend it. So at least I can work within the movie. So what we have here is the actual footage of my recording showing you how to create a video in Doodly. And what I need to do is I need to cut in certain areas of this video. That's where I start talking. So I want to cut it the front. Go to the point where I want to cut it. Drop it down. Press Control. Split clip. And it will split clip where your cursor is. I'm going to highlight that and backspace delete it. Okay, there. So in this video, okay, so I've made a lot of mistakes in creating this Doodly video, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this video and I'm going to start editing it. Now I've come to a point where I want to speed up a section of the video. So I'm going to split the clip. Okay, so Control, Show Speed Editor. At the top here, you'll have a tortoise. It's already quite, see the tortoise appears. Slowing it down or speeding it up. So now I'm just going to reduce. This is where you sound like a chipmunk. When you speak, you'll sound like a chipmunk. Cracks me up. Yep, there we go. But you're not going to hear that noise, so I'll drop that noise down. See what I've done? I'm just going to reduce the amount of time a little bit more. There. So now I have my video that was 12 minutes long, cut into 9 minutes and 30 seconds, which has taken well over 30 odd minutes to make. Titles. So if I want to start my video with a title, I can put this title in the front, or add a bubble. So for this video, I might just keep this one. Double click, highlight. There we go. How to use Doodly. How to use Doodly. And if I want to add music to it, I'm just going to go Audio. No. Yeah, so I'm going to add that. And I know that's 4 seconds long. Click onto that. Nice. Bring the sound down. And I want to bring that all to here. And now I'm going to drop let the music fade in. So let's see what that sounds like. Hey there. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I created Jim Kwiks peg method video. There we go. Using one of them. Okay, I'm going to explain and show you two things right as I edit this video. In this section from here to here, I'm explaining why I add extra time at the end of the scene. And in this section here, I've explained to you that it will become clear when I show you how to edit in Final Cut Pro. I'm not editing in Final Cut Pro, I'm editing in iMovie. So that's one correction. I'm going to show you how I correct that. And the other thing I want to show you is because I'm talking about adding a flip screen. What I mean is a transition. So if I go to transitions, a flip screen, in iMovie, you have this amount of transitions. In Final Cut Pro, you have a lot more transitions, and you have the flip out and flip in. Now, there's a spin in and a spin out. So when I'm doing videos and I finished one thing and I want to move to something else, like that, you have that choice of a transition. That's what it means. And what you do is, if I wanted to spin out, say let's use that for example, I find the bit in the video where I want to use it and I click it and drop it in when we come to the Final Cut Pro part of things. Okay, and that is what it looks like. So I'm going to remove that. Now you know what it looks like, because I don't want it in this part of the video. And I'm going to do the second part of the correction. And you will understand what I mean when we come to the Final Cut Pro part of things. Okay, so now what I want to add is a title to explain that I'm actually using iMovie. And if I go down to the bottom here, I can put one of these in here. So I probably use this one because it will come in and out. And I'm going to highlight that, drag it down and put it here. So let me just check them on the right side. You understand what I mean when we come to the Final Cut Pro part of things. Yeah, so I'm going to go like that, highlight that, click onto that, and then we're going to say correction iMovie. Okay, and you will understand what I mean when we come to the Final Cut Pro part of things. There you go. Hope that makes sense.